If you want to enable or disable fast wireless charging on Xiaomi 15T Pro, all you have to do is we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, if we scroll down, you should be able to find the battery settings, and then in battery settings find charging options, where we have the wireless charging mode. And of course, in order to have faster wireless charging, we need to make sure that this option is set to standard. If you set it to silence, then as you can see, we can have the slower charging speed as a result. So make sure that you have standard option selected. And of course, the charging speed also depends on the amount of watts that your wireless charger can provide for the battery on the phone, because we have 50 watts wireless charging available over here. If you actually have 50 watts wireless charger, then of course it will provide a pretty rapid charging speed. But otherwise, if you use like, let's say 5 or only 10 watts, then the charging speed will be much slower. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.